hybrid, subcompact, crossover. Punta lang tayo sa showroom. Dito sa Honda Cars Angeles Clark. 2026 Honda HR-V RS EHEV. Yung price, 1,799,000 pesos. Simple lang yung design ng front fascia na maganda naman. Full LED yung headlight with DRL. LED projector naman yung fog light. Walang front camera. 18-inch alloy wheels. Naka-disc brake sa front and rear. Body color yung side mirror cover. Walang camera. Wala ring blind spot monitor. Pero may lane watch camera sa right side mirror. Mag-a-activate siya pag ginamit yung right turn signal. Okay naman yung ground clearance. Medyo mataas na rin. Equipped ng keyless or smart entry. Check natin yung interior. Black leather seats with red stitching. Power seat adjustment sa driver. Manual naman sa front passenger. Sa door panel, soft touch. Padded leather naman sa armrest. Power window switch, pero front window lang yung automatic. Leather wrap steering wheel. Naka-electric power steering to, kaya magaan yung feel. Equipped na rin to ng paddle shifters. Tilt and telescopic adjust tong steering column. Push start ignition. Baka ako lang, pero hindi ko gusto yung position ng power button. Analog gauge cluster with digital display. Pagdating sa visibility, okay naman, medyo mataas yung ride height. Kitang-kita pa rin yung hood. Hindi rin sobrang kapal ng A-pillar, kaya less blind spot. 8-inch infotainment screen. Walang volume knob, pero may physical button naman. Dual zone automatic climate control. Maganda yung feel ng knob, ramdam mo yung click. May 2 USB port, 12-volt socket at wireless charging pad. Yung transmission, ECVT. Naka-electronic parking brake with brake hold. Padded leather yung center armrest. Check natin yung storage. Maliit lang yung storage space, pero okay na rin yan. Dampen yung glove box. May vanity mirror with light yung sun visor. Same sa front passenger. Aluminum na yung pedal. Iset ko lang yung driver seat sa driving position ko. Check natin yung back seat. Baka ako lang, pero hindi ako fan ng ganitong door handle. For reference lang, 5'7" yung height ko. Black leather seats with red stitching. Sa door panel, hard plastic. Padded leather naman sa armrest. Power window switch, pero hindi automatic. Nakaset na to sa driving position ko, yung legroom. Maluwag yung kneeroom, nasa 6 to 7 inches pa. Yung foot space, makakapag-stretch ka pa. Hindi nga lang flat yung floor, pero hindi naman sobrang taas ng hump. May AC vent at 2 USB port. Okay naman yung foot space sa middle seat. Yung sitting position, okay lang. Medyo mataas siya na makited, pero hindi naman matigas. Yung headroom, nasa 4 to 5 inches pa. Okay naman yung sitting position, hindi siya upright or 90 degrees. Check natin yung cargo space. Okay lang yung design ng rear end. Kakaiba yung style niya para sa akin. Full LED yung taillight. Ganito yung taillight at light bar pag naka-on. May reverse camera, parking sensor. Equipped na to ng power liftgate at hands-free assist. Medyo malaki na rin yung storage space. May underfloor storage. Wala nga lang spare tire, pero may tire repair kit naman. Pwede ring iset yung height ng tailgate, depende sa preference nyo. Check natin yung engine bay. 1.5 liter gasoline engine with electric motor. Based sa engine specs, malakas na rin yung power output. Pagdating sa fuel consumption, nasa 20 to 25 kilometers per liter. Matipid na to, pero hindi lang ako sure sa actual. Palike na lang and subscribe. Paalam.